If you have any difficult thing, please tell me, then I can help you figure out and correct the answer. Are you getting the answer? Okay, how many of you are getting the answer? Can you raise your hand if you get the answer? Can you please raise your hand? No one is getting the answer. Okay, Aditi, you are getting the answer. Good. Kusal, you are getting the answer. 2. Only 2. Others? Anadi? Hiruka? Kishalni? Nadun? Malindu? Oniti? Yes? Ramiro? Okay, if you're having problems, tell me, guys. So I'm here to help you. Okay, I think you are done, right? If not, if it is not working, tell me, right? Because I know this, for some of you, this will be difficult because you have never done this. But some of you are there, they are experts in coding, right? Mandarna samari inna metana expert la coding. So they have even created games, they have created animations, lot of things. For them, this is nothing. This is like a small toy, nothing. So there are some students like that, I know, but other way also there are some students, those who didn't know how to do that. Okay, I hope everyone has done that, right? Okay, you can add one more thing, that is say. Say, that means this is output, say, and in say you can put say the total. Say total for 2 seconds. And then when you play this, enter the first number. You have to enter the number here, right? Enter the number. Type karanna. You have to type the number here and press the correct sign. Enter the number 2, type it here, press right sign, then it will add and tell you the answer. And you can voice guide this. If you want, you can voice guide this. How? Please go to this blue color icon in the bottom left corner. The blue color icon. Let me put an arrow and show that. So there's a blue color icon in this corner here. You can click and add the voice narrations here, text to voice.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I am using the app, sir, but in the apps there's not any blue color icon, sir.
Yeah, it can be, right? If you're using app, it can be. So why don't you use the online version? So it's easy, right? Okay, I'll resend the link. You can just join it the online. So it will be
okay,
easy.
sir.
Okay. So then when you click this, you can see here text to speech, the purple color one, text to speech, the purple color one. There you can go and add some. Okay, speak. Speak, you can say enter number 1. And after that, you can again speak. You have entered. You have entered. Then you can say speak again. You have entered. Then from the variables you can say number 1. Y or U. So again, let me clear this. Now this is voice guided, right? Now this is voice guided. Now you can say speak. Enter number 2. And again you can speak back. You have entered. You have entered, and then you can tell the number. Speak again and let's say number 2. Now it's telling that in voice. Then you have to tell the total. And after telling that, you can just, okay, let's use one line to tell the total. And I'm using another one in the operation. There's something called join and rejoin. Join 2 times. I'm adding like, so you can say from the variables number 1. And I need another join, sorry. I need another join. Few more joins. join. So join number 1 plus, then number 2, you need another join, so a lot of joins. Number 1 plus number 2 is, then again you can say the total. Number 1 plus number 2 is total. This will be read like this: number 1 plus number 2 is total, but the values will be added here. Values means, okay, let's play this and see.
Enter number 1.
Enter number 1. I have to put the number, so let's enter 56. Then it's telling
You have entered 56.
you have entered
Enter number
56.
2.
Enter number 2. Let's enter 78.
You have entered 78. 56 plus 78 is 134.
It's telling 56 plus 78 is 134. Okay, when I play this again, when I click the flag
Enter
again,
number 1.
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
So can't we use different voices?
Yeah, here you can use voice alto and different voices are there. You can add this to here and change the voice.
Okay, sir.
So let's enter a big number.
You have entered 125,342. Enter number 2.
A very large number. Let's see how it's reading.
You have entered 67,236,726,372. 125,342 plus 67236726372 is 67236851714.
Very large reading, right? So let's put another.
Enter number 1. You have entered 43. Enter number 2. You have entered 123. 43 plus 123 is 166.
Okay, so this is what my, so but this is sequence, right? This all the process is flowing down, no branches. So we can call this a sequence. You can take a snapshot, or you can I'll send you the downloaded file. I'm saving this and I'm uploading this back to you. Don't double click on the file that I'm sending. Laptop එකට external VGA card එකක් ගහන එකට කියන නම මොකක්ද? Laptop එකට external card එකක් connect කරන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ, but that is like so it looks ugly, right? පොඩක් කැතට පේන්නේ because external power source should be given to that, so it looks bit ugly, but there are external cards. So my recommendation is like you can connect general cards also, but there are some USB 4 based cards. You can try that one, USB 4 VGA card, or USB 3 VGA card is also okay. Okay, let me upload this.
The name
එක මට හැම ලොකුවට මතක නැහැ පුතේ, ඒක නම් කියන එකක්ද කියලා. So I've never tried that. Okay. ඕන හොයලා කියන්නම් චුට්ටක් බලන්න. Okay, I have uploaded the project. Don't double click this. Make a download කරන්න. Download කරලා double click කරන්න එපා. එහෙම තේරුමක් නැහැ. So download, after that you can go මේ internet එකේ මේ link එකට යන්න. Please go to this link and go to the file and load from computer. හරි, මේ link එකට ගිහිල්ලා file load from computer. After that select the downloaded file. දැන් download කරපු එක select කරන්න. ඊට පස්සේ go to the downloads and select the file that is downloaded, this one. Then it will be loaded to your computer. Click OK and it will be loaded as a project. Then you can play it and see. So this is sequence anyway. So this is the first control structure, sequence. Okay, let's edit this to the selection. Same project, I'm going to edit it to the selection. So I need enter number 1, enter number 2, both I need. Right? But this time I don't need the total. I'm removing the total. Instead of total, I need to check. I'm going to control and I'm using if this time. What I need to check? If the number from the operations, I have to check if the number greater than, which number? Actually, number 1 greater than, I have to check whether the number 1 greater than number 2. Then you can tell, okay, let's speak out. I'm using text to speech, same thing. Let's speak. And using the operation, let's join. You can say number 1 is the largest. Is the largest. Because number 1 is bigger, is the largest. And same thing you can say here.
Enter number 1.
Number 2 is the largest. So see how simple that is. So enter in number 2, first 2 numbers you have to enter. And after that you are checking number 1 is greater than number 2. If it is yes, you tell number 1 is the largest. If not, you are telling number 2 is the largest. Okay, let's try this. Let's play this again.
Enter number 1. You have entered 56. Enter number 2. You have entered 938. 938 is the largest number.
Okay, now you don't want to display the total, right? You can just ignore that.
Enter number 1.
Make untick color. You can enter 2 numbers.
You have entered 563. Enter number 2. You have entered 875. 875 is the largest number.
Okay, 875 is the largest number. Now we have done sequence and selection. Okay, if you want, I'm sending that also, saving the file again and re-uploading to you. You can download the file and then load it to the, okay, the second file is, now I have to send 2 files. Second file is for the selection. Okay, the last for today is the repetition. Repeat the things again and again. Okay, I'm erasing everything now. I don't need these. Erasing everything. And I'm putting events, variables. I need just one variable. I don't need these variables, just a number, num. And I can say, set the number to 1. And then I can repeat. From control, you can say how many times you need to repeat. Let's say, let's repeat 5 times. Repeat 5 times. So what I need to do, I need to display the number. Maybe use text to speech, anything, display or speak the number. Speak the number. And after that,
1, 1, 1, 1.
So it's always 1, but I have to do something, that is change in the number by 2. Change in the number by 2. That means adding 2 to the number. Starting from 1, add 2 again, add 2 again, add 2 again, and 2 again, and speak out that number. Let's see what is going to be.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
All are odd numbers.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
That means you don't even want to check that the number is divisible by එක බලන්නවත් ඕනේ නැහැ. එහෙම නැතුවම ලියන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි අර විදිහටත් ලියන්න පුළුවන්. You can start, okay, let's see that second format. You can start, you can set the number to 1, set the number to 1. This is the second method of writing. You can start, or let's use another one, right? Not this one. I'm using another key. When I key එකක් use කරමුකෝ. When I press the space key. enter set number to 1. Then what I'm going to do? I'm going to repeat 10 times this. Repeat 10 times. Then what I'm going to do? I'm going to check if then the operations. From that, I'm using mod operation. And also, I'm using equal operation. Then I'm checking whether this is complex route because it needs more steps. If number mod 2 equal 1. දෙකෙන් බෙදලා එකක් ඉතිරි නම්. If number mod 2 equal 1. Number mod 2 equal 1. Then you can display the number. Then let's speak the number. Speak the number. The second method is bit wide. Actually, bit is it's lengthier than the first method. And also change the number by 1. Change number by 1. That is the second method. When I press the space key here, then space key press kala balamu.
1.
Okay, I have to change the number by 1 here, sorry. Space key again.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
That is also working right here.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
When I click the flag, that is also working.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Space key also,
1,
that is also
3,
working.
5, 7, 9.
Okay, so that's it for today. Actually, instead of speak, you can, so if your speakers are not working, you can put say, right? Speak when you want to say, say and then put the number. Say number. Here also, you can go to the looks, say the number. So instead of speak out, you can put say the number. Then
1,
you can see here it's showing.
3, 5, 7, 9.
Okay, here also when I press the space key,
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
okay, so that's there. I'll send this file also to you. That is the third example. Actually, today's lesson, we have learned sequence, selection, and repetition from the beginning, revising grade 7, 8, and 9 stuff. Next day, we will be learning the advanced stuff, which is in grade 7, grade 9, and we can finish the lesson next day. Actually, we are not going to learn everything, right? Please remember, we are not going to learn everything because in grade 9, I have done some game development part, some other animations, but we can't do those things in the revision. If you want that, you have to come again to the theory class. That is possible because when you come to the grade 10 class, we have given you the permission to come to grade 9 class also for free. So if you pay for the grade 10 class and join with us, you can come to the grade 9 class. Actually, you can come for grade 9 English medium, grade 9 Sinhala medium, grade 10 English medium, and grade 10 Sinhala medium, all 4 classes without any restriction. So all 4 classes are open for you. Sometimes students will not understand this, that extra thing that we are doing. They just think about the charge that we are charging. We are thinking that we are charging premium amount, but that is not, because we are helping you to learn Sinhala medium, English medium. That is also 2 grades. Actually 4 classes. We are charging that amount for 4 classes, right? That is an advantage for you. Also, we are providing a practical session. That is more than enough, I think. So idea is actually guide you throughout the journey up to A levels, and not up to A levels, even in the university, we can guide you to go for a better place in ICT. Okay, then good luck. See you all next week. Good night.
Okay, sir. Sir, excuse me.
Yes.
Sir, I watched the videos of sir. Sir, I watched the video that said how to fill the screen with bubbles. So can't we use anything else?
Yeah, we can use some other things. Those are screen servers, right? So
Yes.
those screen servers, there are screen servers that even fish tanks, those things are there in internet. You can download, and then
Sir, how can we use that?
you can just search in the Google. Maybe the operating system that you are using, Windows 10. If you are using Windows 10, you can search like Windows 10 screensavers. So there are number of
Okay, sir.
screensavers you can download and use it. Okay. Good luck. Bye.
Good luck, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir. Thank you.